Hey there, welcome to this tutorial on the main functions of Shotcut. In this tutorial, we'll explore the main steps in Shotcut to create high video content. If you're not familiar with Shotcut, it's a free and open source video editing software that's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Shotcut is a powerful tool for video editing, and it has a variety of features that make it easy to create professional quality videos. So, let's get started with the main steps in Shotcut. Step 1. Import your footage. Importing your footage is the first step in any video editing process. To import your footage into Shotcut, follow these steps. Open Shotcut and click on the Open File button in the top menu bar. Navigate to the location of your video file and select it. Click Open to import the file into Shotcut. Once you've imported your footage, it will appear in the playlist panel on the left side of the screen and on the main screen. From both places, you can drag and drop your clips into the timeline at the bottom of the screen to start arranging your footage. To trim your clips, select the clip and use the trim tools above the timeline. You can also split your clips by placing the playhead where you want to split the clip and clicking on the split button. Step 2. Add transitions and effects. Adding transitions and effects can help make your video look more polished and professional. To add transitions and effects in Shotcut, follow these steps. Select the clip you want to add a transition or effect to. Click on the Filters tab on the top of the window. Click on the plus button to add a new filter. Select the transition or effect you want to apply from the list. Adjust the settings for the transition or effect as needed, for example the length of the transition. To add a transition between two clips, select the first clip and drag the playhead to the point where you want the transition to start. Then, select the second clip and drag it over the first clip. Shotcut will automatically add a transition between the two clips. Step 3. Add audio. Adding audio to your video is an important part of the editing process. To add audio in Shotcut, follow these steps. First, add an audio track. Then drag and drop your audio file into the timeline. Adjust the volume levels for your audio clip using the volume slider on the timeline. To apply audio effects, select the audio clip and click on the Filters tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the plus button to add a new filter. Select the audio effect you want to apply from the list. Adjust the settings for the effect as needed. Step 4. Use the color grading feature. Color grading is an important part of video editing, as it can greatly affect the overall look and feel of your video. To use the color grading feature in Shotcut, follow these steps. Select the clip you want to color grade. Click on the Color tab on the left side of the screen. Adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and other color settings for your clip. To create a specific look or style for your video, adjust the color settings to your liking. Step 5. Export your video. Exporting your video is the final step in the editing process. To export your video in Shotcut, follow these steps. Click on the Export button in the top menu bar. Select the format and resolution for your video. Adjust any other settings as needed. Click Export File to export your video. You can also use the batch export feature.